Hello everyone, I'm your host Daisy Tornell and welcome to Tech On, a one-stop shop for all the latest apps, devices, and computer software, bringing you the current trends in media and technology. Today we're going to be talking about computer software that is free to you as a CSUF student. There are many useful programs that are available to help you as you navigate your educational career, and they're available for you to download straight to your computer as long as you are a student at CSUF. Some of the programs that are free for students include Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office 365, Windows 10, Dropbox, and so much more. One of my personal favorite programs is Adobe Creative Cloud because you get tons of amazing and useful software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, which includes amazing tools for editing content and media. Whether you need to edit photos or videos for your courses or internships, Adobe Creative Cloud has you covered. So let your creativity run wild. To access these programs, simply head over to CSUF Student Online Division Information Technology, look for the Student Software page, click on one of the programs, and follow the included instructions to install the program straight to your computer. We strongly encourage you guys to check out these available programs that will be extremely helpful with any assignments or projects you may have. That's all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I'm Daisy Tornell, and we'll see you guys next time on Tech On.